shit! God damn it! You good?
Yeah, oh shit, that's a ram. Black.
Too much ground! Too much ground! Shit! 671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
10-4, make it cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Your call has been updated.
He's going to be running west to the complex, heading towards the David Buster. For all black khaki, you take off his hat, black male.
Your call has been updated.
Buster's going over here, by the building.
He's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. It is running though. Are they running? Do y'all want me to pull out ahead of y'all? Get a little more block as I pull in behind him or just follow behind?
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
I got mine up.
I'd say fall in behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse and go into that hump. We're pulling him back. Keep on coming. Keep on going. Your turns at the dumpster. He's tilt gripped.
Yep. Ready? Yep. Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! He's got a gun! He's got! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Fucking shit!
671, shots are fired. We need more cover.
Hang on, Tim!
10-4, make it cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Good!
He's running north! He's running north! Running north! He's gonna be running west to the complex, headed towards the David Busters.
Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
John, I'm east, I'm the south, I'm where's the airport?
Don't you fucking move! Get on the ground now! One at gunpoint, southwest corner. He's on a white shirt, but get on the fucking ground, face down! Don't you fucking move! He's behind the fences, or he's behind the building near the fence corner. You fucking flinch, I'll put a hole in you, motherfucker!
Start us an ambulance.
You fucking hit.
Yeah, he's hit.
God damn it.
Go get med kit.
Yeah. Where you hit at?
On the side.
Okay, hey. You got gloves, Kevin?
No.
Here. It's up there. You fucking... What is your name?
Eric.
Eric what?
Okay. You have gloves?
Yeah. I got gloves.
You got shears on you?
I got a knife.
Here, I got it.
672, building 24, southwest corner.
Alright, go on so I can see if there's an exit one on this side.
Okay. We got one up in the shoulder, one up in the left lung area.
Alright, give me
Eric.
occlusion
Eric,
birthday.
Eric, what is your birthday? Where do you live at, bud? Where in Dallas? You have an apartment, or where are you at, man?
Apartment.
What apartments are you at, Eric? Eric, talk to me, brother.
No.
Okay, just keep talking to me, man. What apartments you live at, man? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? You live with your mama? What's your mama's name? You know her phone number? Just keep talking, man. Stay awake.
I'm up.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Keep talking, okay?
You rolling on his
How old are you, brother?
17. There you go.
You're 17? Okay.
Hey, just keep on breathing, man. You'll be alright. Give me a jacket for his head. You'll be alright.
Keep talking.
Just hold that bandage. Keep that bandage on. I got the bandage on. Whenever you got the gloves on, let me know so I can get mine on.
I got gloves. I got gloves, okay? Okay, go. Tommy, see if you can go
this one. Go take care of the other guy.
find the ambulance. Get the ambulance over here. There were at least 2 guys. There were 3 guys, I think.
My left.
Your lap? Your lungs? I know.
We got you though. You're good. Y'all check out the one in front.
What'd you say, brother? Ambulance is coming here as hot as it can, okay?
Wound up here. Yeah.
There's a wound right here and a wound right here, but I don't see any exit wounds.
I think it's.
You think we went through? Okay. Yeah, it might be out that way because I didn't look at it.
You have another bandage? Another bandage on his top.
Yeah, I got my jacket. 7284 rehab, man. Which one about you?
Just go.
Over up between building 8 and 9, the jacket, don't want to show the front.
We're trying to pack that wound or no?
No, just hold pressure.
Hold pressure on it?
Hold pressure. Hey.
Eric, I need you
Talk to me.
just keep on talking, Eric.
What's your name, bud?
Eric Lampkin.
Huh? Eric Lampkin.
Lampton? How do you spell that? L-A-M.
PK.
P-K? I-N. Okay. Just keep hanging in there, man. We got the ambulance coming right now. You can hear them coming
We
in.
have a couple of 7-2s out here. Keep them coming until we get some more people.
Y'all give me up and walk?
No, not because we don't want to.
You're exactly where you need to be, man, alright?
They're going to bring a stretcher back here as fast as they can, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You said you live in apartments. What apartments did you say you live in?
My lungs hurt. My lungs hurt.
Okay. Just take your time. Deep breaths, okay?
I don't think I need handcuffs on me, sir.
We don't have a choice in that one, brother. We do not have a choice right now.
He's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. It is running though. Are they running? Do y'all want me to pull out ahead of y'all? You got a little more block. I'll pull in behind him or just follow behind.
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
Just hold on the gun. I got mine out.
I'd say fall in behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling him now. Keep on coming. Keep on going. You can turn out the dumpster. He's tilted raptor.
See him?
Ready?
Yeah.
God damn it! You good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Drop the fucking gun! Gun! He's running north! He's running north! He's gonna be running west to the complex, headed towards the David Buster. He's stopping. He's wearing all black jacket. He took off his hat. Black male. He dropped his gun over here.
By the building. John, I'm east of the south. Where's he at?
Fuck. You guys okay?
Yeah, he's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. got it though. With it running, do y'all want me to pull out ahead of him? Got a little more block as I pull in behind him, or just follow in behind?
I'd say falling behind so he can't.
Tell him we're pulling up.
I'd say falling behind him so that way he can't hit the go into reverse.
Alright, we're pulling up. We're pulling up.
We're pulling up now.
Alright, keep on coming. Keep on going. He turns out the dumpster. He's 2 over from the Blue Raptor.
Oh fuck, dude. There's on top of him. He's on top of him.
Oh shit. That's a ram.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go. Don't fucking move. We got one more gun. Hang on. To the fucking ground. I'm not gonna beat it. I'm not gonna be aggressive. I already told you. You already fucking were. In your other fucking hand. Shut up. Delta 684. Who shot at us? I don't know if I was the guy shooting too.